Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Trend, where we make English grammar easy and fun. Today, we'll dive into how to use the word wish correctly in English sentences. This is a powerful word, but it's tricky if you don't know the rules. Let's break it down together. What is wish? Wish is used when we talk about things we want to be different, often things that are impossible, unlikely, or hypothetical. It expresses regret or longing for a different reality. Example 1, I wish I were taller. Example 2, she wishes she had studied harder. Types of sentences with wish 1. Wish plus past simple, present slash future regrets. Explanation. We use wish with the past simple to talk about things we regret or want to change about the present or future. Example 1, I wish I knew the answer. Example 2, he wishes he had more free time. 2. Wish plus past perfect, past regrets. Explanation. We use wish with the past perfect to express regret about something that happened or didn't happen in the past. Example 1, I wish I had studied harder for the exam. Example 2, she wishes she hadn't said that. 3. Wish plus would, future slash behavioral wishes. Explanation. Wish plus would is used when we want someone or something to change in the future. Often, this shows frustration or annoyance. Example 1, I wish he would stop shouting. Example 2, they wish it would stop raining. Avoid these mistakes. Let's talk about a few common errors English learners make when using wish : using wish instead of hope for future possibilities. Wrong. I wish it will be sunny tomorrow. Correct. I hope it will be sunny tomorrow. Using was instead of were in unreal situations. Wrong. I wish I was rich. Correct. I wish I were rich. Great job, everyone. Now you know how to use wish like a pro. Don't forget to practice and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or example sentences. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time.